It's a Monday, and Monday is what we want to talk about today is how can we take this patient who has no teeth on the top, a failing teeth back denture that doesn't fit, and then lower teeth that are just falling apart. This patient was told that you cannot have implants, patient can only have to wear a denture, and that was very, very discouraging. But make the long story short, let us show you what we did. We took the patient, we put 2 Zygomatic implants, we put implants in the front, and then we did the lower all on 5, and patient is looking amazing. We actually took this patient who was previously told that they're not a candidate for implants to a beautiful set of all on 4 on the top with the 2 long Zygomatic implants, 2 standard implants. These are her Zirconia teeth, and give her permanent teeth. Give her permanent teeth that do not come out of her mouth. And today, I want to be able to say that our patient who looked like this and our patient now looks like that. So what a difference. Literally, our patients, it looks like this now, but our patients looked like this before. And from here to having a ill-fitting denture to failing teeth to a beautiful set of fixed permanent teeth on the top with Zirconia and beautiful. This was how she looked like before, but now she looks incredible. And this patient was also one of our brand ambassador for WGN channel when we were live. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to show you, you look like this before and now smile. My God, incredible. Tell me like how the surgery journey went, and this was a very complicated surgery. And how did your surgery go, and how do you feel with your Zirconia teeth?
Oh my God, Dr. Atcha, you are an angel to me. Before I came in here, I was so disappointed after I got out from that dentist that told me that it's useless to have an implant, especially in my age. And
how old are you?
You give me hope.
Thank you. Thank you.
You did. And now I am 63 years old. Today, the best birthday gift I ever had.
Oh my
this
God.
One, Dr. Atcha, thank you so very much. You make me so very happy. I appreciate everything.
Well, we appreciate you. Happy birthday to you. Today's your birthday, right?
Yes.
Yeah, happy birthday, and that's amazing. And on the birthday, you got your new permanent teeth. How do the permanent teeth feel?
Oh, they're really comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. And before you had a denture, and before you had this, how did you feel there, and how do you feel here now?
Oh my God. Right now, I am so confident of myself.
Okay, tap your teeth. Incredible, incredible. And you have the long Zygomatic implants. You have the long Zygomatic implants. You have these implants. You have implants that we call the no jawbone solution. And how did your surgery go? When I did the surgery for you, how did your surgery go?
Oh, my surgery is like a piece of cake.
Okay.
You know, I don't feel anything. It's just a recovery, but hey, you know, no pain, no gain.
Happy birthday. Hey, look at you laughing. You're laughing amazingly.
Absolutely.
Anybody that has no teeth, anybody that's been told they're not a candidate, anybody that's been told that, hey, you can only have to wear dentures, what would you say?
I'm speechless.
Okay.
Yeah. Super.
If somebody that needed this level of work, what would you say to them about us, about myself?
Oh boy, I will tell them. I have all your cards to me, the business card. I distribute it, but I have to see I have 2 siblings here,
okay.
2 sisters, and we'll see how it goes.
Great.
I'm going to give them your card, and I will be their living testimony.
Oh, wonderful. Well, happy birthday. Your smile looks amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Atcha. 63 today. Hello.
Fantastic. 63 years old. So you're looking so amazing.
Thank you.
Fantastic. That's amazing.